Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
I'm about to bake out here, guys. It's so hot. It's like 93 degrees out here in Florida. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going out to Cars and Beaches. It's an event put on by I Love Driving Slow. I'm terribly late. Cash actually called me about an hour ago. He was letting me have it. I don't blame him. I was supposed to be there at about 10:30 actually. I was supposed to be there early, but some stuff happened. I'm gonna clean these windows. The rest of the car is not getting clean, unfortunately. Head out there and definitely get some good footage. There's lots of cool cars, lots of cool people out there, and I will see you guys when we get there.
It's Kurt, y'all. ILDS, Cars and Beaches. Here we go.
So this event is actually pretty big. I'm loving it. Every event that I Love Driving Slow puts on is always pretty much a banger. I got a couple more people I'm gonna try and find. I gotta find Rasta for sure. You're out here somewhere. I will find you. I gotta look for some dreads. Hopefully not more than 10 people out here have dreads, otherwise I'm not finding you.
So good.
What's up? How you doing?
What's up, man?
I've been here at the Cars and Beaches for a little while, and look who decided to finally show up.
I've been here.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't. You just got here.
No.
There's Cash's car. He probably came with Cash, didn't
No,
he?
my car.
All right.
Been here.
Well, we'll get some shots of his 350. But anyways, look who finally decided to show
I
up.
rode with Cash, bro.
I was late, but he was very, very, very fashionably late.
Good, my guy.
Cash. Cash. Cash.
What's good?
So we're gonna go check out the big boy version of my car. My car's pretty, but it's not fast. But this is an STI. Hey man, I love the car.
Appreciate it, man.
It's a 06?
Yep.
Nice. All right, so he popped the hood for us. It's pretty sick. So what's going on underneath here?
Upgraded turbo, fully built engine, AM, ECU. Basically everything is done to it to support like 600 to the wheels.
How much?
6 plus to the wheels.
6 plus to the wheels. We had our clean culture guys out here today. We had a pretty good time. Thanks for coming out. Good seeing you. Smooth. Yes, sir.
See you next time.
Always love seeing the Porsche. Hey, man. It's nice meeting you. You stay safe, man. So we all had a wonderful time here with you guys at Cars and Beaches in Ruskin at E.G. Simmons Park. Thanks for these two guys right here popping out. We will definitely be back next year. This was the I Love Driving Slow's 10-year anniversary for this event, so we will be back for the 11th for sure. But hope everybody has a wonderful day. Keep building the heck out of your cars. We're booking all big events from now on. Some small events just to keep it going, but the big events for sure. Coverage, video, photography. That's what we're all about. Just showing you guys the good times people have when they're, you know, they come together for the same thing. Cars, smiles on everyone's face for sure. That's gonna do it for me here and all of us from Mox Vlogs. We got Jacob, Trevor. They finally made it out here. They've been out here for a little while. It was fun hanging out with them. But we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. It helps out a ton. I will see you guys later.